Here's a video to walk you through how to reset a user's password in Ops Insights. So to do this, you'll need to be logged in as a client admin user for your account. And I've done that here. I've logged in as a client admin user for one of our demo accounts. And when you first log in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. But where we'll be working or operating from will be the users section. So we'll find users in the left-hand navigation bar here, and we'll click on users. And when the page initially loads, it's going to load any internal users that are currently enabled in our account. So there are two types of users in Ops Insights. There's an internal user or an external user. And external users are going to be users that work with your company in some facet. That's going to be like an abstractor, a client, or perhaps an investor. And an internal user will be any user that works for your company. And it's important that we make that designation because external users are not going to have as many features as an internal user would. So an internal user will have additional features, whereas an external user will only be able to see a dashboard, and they'll be able to receive emailed reports, which we refer to or call automated deliveries. And internal users will be able to see your report library, and they'll be able to access requests or request access to reports that they do not have access to, or they'll be able to request custom reports as well. So again, it's important that that designation is made when you're creating users or maintaining or managing users, because if we do need to reset a password for an external user, they're not going to appear in the listing when the page initially loads. But it's easy to show any external user. We just click on show external users, and then you can see now that all of the external users that are enabled in the account appear along with the internal users. And you can see that tag here. It's easy to see the external users versus the internal users. But to show you how to reset the password for a user in your account, all we need to do is just locate the user that we want to reset. And then from there, we go in and complete the steps. But if we're looking for a certain user, we can search for them, or we can do a long listing here, or we can show all of the users here in one listing. Either way, we just need to find the user that we want to reset his or her password and click on their name. And then when a window will appear, and you'll see things like you can update their status, you can update their contact information, their access role assignment. But what we'll be doing is we'll be resetting their password. So we'll just click on reset password, and a window will appear, a confirmation window. Just click on reset password, and you'll receive a success message informing you that an email will be sent to that email address on file. And from there, they'll be able to log in with that new auto-generated password. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to reach out to our support team, support@opsinsights.com. Thanks. We look forward to hearing from you.